Hey guys, it's Sunday morning, Canada Day here up in the Great White North. We're at Trail Skills headquarters this morning. Going to be doing an install with Eli from Loki Lights on his Jeep. Get his rig nice and protected up, ready for the trails. After that, we're going to head back to the house, enjoy some of this beautiful weather, fire up the grill, have some burgers and some beers, and call it a day. Let's head on inside and start this installation. Loki Lights has arrived. Eli and Candice are here. We've got Xena the Jeep. What's going on?
How's it going? We're pretty excited over here. We're gonna get some trail scales put on.
Those trail scales are gonna be awesome, and I can't wait to see how they look when we are done. So here's a quick look at the Loki Lights trail scales. Before we put them on, I think they turned out really awesome. I think that black with the trail scales armor layer on top is going to look killer. Not just looks though, but these are going to protect Xena the Jeep from any future scratches and damages from being out on the trail and hitting the bush. So let's go get these installed. Guys, check this out. We got one side installed here on Eli and Candice's Loki Lights Jeep Xena. It is looking awesome. We just finished up the install. I think it turned out really well. You're gonna be able to see it outside here in the sunlight in just a minute. As Candice is pulling Xena out of the shop.
We got trail scales starting up here, and they're running all the way back.
We're able to get a first look at the trail scales on the sun.
Hey, are you shooting the outro? Okay.
We're just shooting.
He's got this. He's got
What
this.
do you guys think right now of your trail scales on the Jeep?
Loving every minute of it.
I love it.
There you go, guys. They are loving their trail scales. I think Xena looks awesome with these on. The black looks killer, the design looks killer, and all the scratches underneath are now completely hidden, and any new scratches or dings are going to go right into those trail scales and not into your paint. So check them out, trailscales.com.